Hey guys, Tad with Gypsy Rain Organics. Wanted to do a video and show you all the newest additions to the farm. This is our new breeding pair of kunekunes. It's Dolly and Jaeger. Dolly's the black sow and Jaeger's our tricolored boar there. He's obviously a little bit younger. He's not full grown yet. He's only about 8 months old. So he's got a little growing to do, but yeah, these guys are going to be a nice new addition to the farm, and can't wait to have little piglets running around. So we put, we kind of temporaried this enclosure together until we get a more permanent enclosure for them. But they're really good foraging pigs, so they're really good on pastures or even in wooded areas. So that's one of the reasons that I went with these guys. Plus they're a smaller pig than most commercial pigs and much easier to handle, so the kids and my wife and everything, they're not intimidated by them or anything like that. They're very low maintenance pigs, and everybody says that their bacon is superior bacon to just about any other pig. So we're gonna find out. But yeah, so we got them a little temporary setup here, just in the corner of the field. Got them a shade area there next to the barn. Their water set up. Got a place to feed them. And they are such good foragers that we probably won't have to feed them a whole lot, since they're going to be out here grazing a lot of the time. But yeah, it's really cool to have the pigs. The kids are really excited about it, and it's just one more thing to add to the farm to help make us a little more self-sufficient and less dependent on grocery stores and that kind of thing. But yeah, that's kind of our pigs. Just wanted to do a short video and show everybody our new guys. Till next time, guys.